Father's Day from the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, June the 15th. My name is Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, June the 21st. This week's video is entitled Get It Done. First of all, happy Father's Day. This is a celebration of our fathers who care for us, protect us, provide for us. And don't forget to honor the Father within each and every one of us. Like I said on Mother's Day, we all didn't have maybe the best mother or the best father or whatever our childhood story has, but we can certainly father ourselves, protect ourselves, make good, wise decisions for ourselves. So let's honor the masculine energy today, that father energy, that authoritarian that does what they know is right and not what just fits in with everyone else. They don't compromise. The masculine energy does not compromise itself to fit in to other stories. So let's honor the masculine energy today. Let's honor our fathers who took such good care of us and the Father within each and every one of us today. Happy Father's Day. This week, we have a lot going on. Today is Father's Day, and then on Tuesday, Mars moves into Virgo, hence the title, Get It Done. On Thursday is Juneteenth, and then on Friday, the sun moves into Cancer. And we talked a little bit about that Cancerian energy last week, the energy of safety, security, home, the mother, nurturing, healing. So we're going to take that Cancerian energy as the sun moves into Cancer and kind of revs up that energy even more. And we're going to add it to the Mars in Virgo energy on Tuesday. So let's talk about Mars in Virgo. Virgo is an earth sign. Virgo is a feminine sign. And Virgo is a mutable sign. Virgo, that is our focus this week, using the Virgoian energy, say that quick, with our sun in Cancer, the Cancer energy, to help us really get manifesting and creating the life we want. And how are we going to do that? Well, first of all, this week is not a great time to work with others. Remember last week when everyone's in their own shit, their own insecurities, and they're projecting? It's going to continue this week. We have a T-square at the beginning of the week with the moon, really causing contention in relationships. We have squares as our major planetary connections this week, and squares are just like, boom, just right at each other. You know, the energies in both of these planets, nothing is alike. So they're just clashing and coming together. And then later on, I think on Wednesday, we have Jupiter in Cancer making a contentious connection with Neptune. And so we have more of this energy of manipulation, of little stories and lies, deceits, illusions. That is running rampant the middle to the end of the week. Our best action, our best strategy, stay out of the fray and get it done. Virgo, productive. This is the week to get our shit done. That to-do list, yeah, let's start checking those jobs off. How about that pile that we keep moving around the house or moving around our office? Now it's time to actually put that shit away. Get rid of the pile completely. Put everything where it needs to go. What have we been putting on the back burner? What have we been procrastinating with? We have all the energy necessary to get it done, to get moving. We have the energy, we have the energetic support, so let's get it done. If we have anything that needs to happen that we haven't taken care of, this is the week to get moving on it. Whatever that to-do list is, this is the week. And we are going to feel so much better and more fulfilled and more productive at the end of the week if we get our shit done. And it's really important because, as we clean up our space, if we put things away, we organize, that creates a whole new space, a space that invites manifestation, and energy comes that helps us manifest what we want to manifest. What do we want to accomplish this week? What is our long-term plan? We've been thinking about it. We've been planning it. I've been talking about it. We have our Cancer energy about safety, security, home. Clean it up. Physically, clean it up. Clean up our space. We need to do this first. This is our first step in beginning to manifest this life that we want to create. We have to come from a clean space, not cluttered, not full of crap everywhere. How can energy move when there's crap everywhere? It's got to go, it can't even get to where it wants to go. Put everything away. If it hasn't been used in a year, get rid of it. Somebody else might be able to use it. So that is our keynote this week. Get it done. Whatever we have left unfinished, this is the week we get it done. We want to create a safe, comfortable, nurturing space in our home, in our office, so we can honor the Cancerian energy, so we can come home and feel relaxed, feel rejuvenated, realign, rest, so that we can take the steps necessary to create this life that we want to create. We have Saturn in Aries, we have Jupiter in Cancer, we have Mars in Virgo, and now the Sun moving into Cancer. The focus is creating a safe, secure home where we can nurture ourselves on all levels, physically, emotionally, and mentally. So that is our work. And Virgo says, especially with Saturn and Aries too, Virgo says, get it done. If you follow the steps, if you do the work, you will be successful. However, the energy out there is also saying, if you take shortcuts, if you take out steps, you will not be successful, and whatever you create will fall in and implode upon itself. So, big word for this week, discipline. Discipline ourselves to do the work we need to do to set up a space that is conducive for us to manifest the life of our dreams, this life we want. So, the step we're going to take this week is we're going to clean up our space. And not only are we going to clean up our physical space, we're going to clean up our to-do lists. We're going to take care of any unresolved issues. If we piss somebody off, if somebody pissed us off, we're going to get to the bottom of that. And we're either going to ask for forgiveness, or we're going to forgive the other. And what this does not mean that we allow others to continue with their same bad behavior. Forgiving is wonderful, but it's not a indication that we can allow this behavior, this bad behavior, to continue. So we might forgive, and we might have to put up some boundaries as well. So this week, get it done. This week, we also have the sun moving into Cancer, as I said. So the focus is making sure our space, our home space, is one that is nurturing, is healing, is safe and secure. That is our mantra this week. So let's get to it. Let's get our shit done. Let's get it done. We'll start like we always do by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves. We'll take our 3 deep cleansing breaths, and then this time we're going to say our sun in Cancer affirmation. So let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, toxicity. We see it all flowing away to wherever it came from. And in its place, we can see our bodies being filled with this beautiful light made up of white light, love, and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies, all of our bodies, it also is protecting us, deflecting all that evil, low vibration, all that negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our sun in Cancer affirmation. As above, so below. I hold the entire universe within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation together. As above, so below. I hold the entire universe within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Good, good. I was thinking, well, darn it. It's not any deep, profound, mysterious message this week. It's get your shit done, clean it up. We know what we're talking about. I know all about that pile that keeps moving around my house. It keeps kind of growing, as it moves. Let's get rid of the pile altogether. Let's put things where they need to be. Let's get rid of things we don't need anymore. Let's straighten up. Let's organize. Let's get our physical life together. Let's create a space that is welcoming, is rejuvenating, is restful, is safe and secure. So we have the environment to continue to create this life that we're manifesting, this life of our dreams. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational oracle messages that try to help us stay balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves during the day. Also, I like to post memes, which are funny, weird, thought-provoking, and beautiful. And as I've said many times, if you're looking for an answer, you're a little confused, just go to Soul Sister Cat Facebook page, flip through the memes, and in many, many cases, if not all, you will find the direction or the answer that you're looking for. So remember our mantra this week, get it done. Get our shit done so we can continue to successfully create the life we want. Don't forget the keynote of the Soul Sister channel. It is the secret to all life. Life is lived from the inside, guys, inside out. Make it a great week. Get our shit done. I just like to say shit. Namaste.